Welcome, today I am with Beats Buds Studio and I will show you how you can turn on noise cancelling or transparency mode on these buds. So we have to be simply connected with Beats application. This one, you can get it simply from the Play Store. And when you are connected, you will find these three icons right here. So currently we got highlight on the middle, that is the turn it off option. If you want to turn on noise cancellation, you have to click here. And this feature is turned on. When you choose this one, transparency will be in the transparency mode, and that's how we can make the change. We can also adjust this option by clicking and holding our touch controls right here. So here we can adjust, we can make voice assistant or use the noise control. So as you can see, that's how it looks. If you will find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.